Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can redeem or use your Domino's gift card online. In order to redeem or use your Domino's gift card, first thing, make sure that you're connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser of your choice. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in a link that is www.dominos.co.in/gift-voucher/gift card. You can also find the link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, it will take you to the official site. Basically, this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to redeem or use your Domino's gift card, generally you can use it as a payment method. So to use it as a payment method, what you need to do is first thing, click on the gift card option in the top right. So as you click on the gift card option, you need to scroll down. Right in between, you'll be able to find an option as activate your card. So to redeem your gift card, you need to enter in your card number, card PIN, and a mobile number. Once you're done entering all of these information, make sure to tap on I'm not a robot option and then click on get OTP. As soon as you type in your mobile number, so then the OTP will be sent through an SMS in the provided phone number right on top. So what you'll need to do is you need to enter in your OTP, and after that follow the on-screen instruction in order to redeem your Domino's gift card. So in this way you can redeem your Domino's gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.